delicious. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie. Guys, it's a beautiful day. Thank God for a brand new day. Today I will be cooking some salt mackerel rundown with some coconut milk, and I will be cooking food like yam, sweet potato, bananas, and some cocoa. Let's get started. So now I will get the water in the pot. So now guys, I will just prepare the coconut to cook the mackerel. So guys, I just removed the coconut from the shell. I'm gonna cut the coconut up now to blend it so I can get the juice to cook the mackerel. So now I'll add water. So guys, this is real coconut milk. Real dry coconut, it's gold here in Canada, so it's expensive. Unlike in Jamaica, I'll just go pick a coconut from the tree. Most of the time it's free. So now I will put this to boil. So this is a salt mackerel, it's a small one, and I will just put it to boil now. And of course, I'm not going to throw away the head. I prefer to cut it in cubes to make a rundown. Now the water is boiling. I will peel my food and put in the pot. So I'll peel the cocoa first. In Canada here, it would be the same thing like the edu or the maybe yam, but it's Jamaican cocoa. I'll tip a bit of vinegar, so that way the food will cook white and pretty, radiant in all its color. If I don't do that, the banana stain will change the rest of the food color to black. This is the Jamaican banana, but when you put it in the fridge, because here we refrigerate everything, when you put it in the fridge, the outer part of the banana, the skin becomes black, but the inside is still just as good. See? Just as good. Another thing you can do with your green banana, like if you have the Jamaican green banana or anyone, you can peel the banana and you know, put a little vinegar in the water and put it in the freezer. It stays fresh for days. The sweet potato, I won't peel it. I am just gonna wash it and put it in the pot like this, and we peel it after the cooking. Lastly, I will put this sweet yam. I put the white yam last in the pot because it is easy to cook and easy to mash away. So if you allow it to stay in the pot for too long, you don't get anything out of it. So guys, the milk is coming down to custard nicely. Look how greasy it looks and getting thick. So I will pour this over the mackerel. So now everything is on. I will just do a little housekeeping here. So now I will prepare all of my ground provision. So I will just chop all of my ground seasoning now and place it in the bowl, just preparing for the finished product of the mackerel. Everything I cook, guys, I love to use my garlic. Garlic is anti-everything. It's a small mackerel, so I'm using half of this big tomato because I don't want to overpower it with anything at all. And I think that's it. This is all my ingredients. Now I'll just take the mackerel off the fire and I will wash it with some fresh cold water. Okay, there goes the cooked mackerel. So guys, I decided to make a drink because it's very cold here in Canada now. It's in the minus. So I am making more of a citrus drink. So I'm using lemon, grapefruit and ginger to make this drink. For sweetener, I will just use a little bit of honey. So now the food is all done. I will start my cooking the mackerel. So this is the ground seasoning. And here goes my coconut milk. The coconut milk was it was halfway in the pot. So now I boil it down looking like this where I get the custard because that's what I want to cook the rundown. And you can notice it's very oily and this is a natural coconut oil. So this is the oil from the coconut itself. And of course I put the head because I love the bone. I'll just cut one hot pepper. So now this is almost done. I will add the coconut milk. So this is so thick and nice because this is coconut custard and oil. Lastly, I will add some black pepper. And I will just let that simmer for about 30 seconds or so. So now everything is done, come to an end. So now I will be plating and of course I will be eating. there you have it, guys. Finished product. Oh my god, I'm so excited to eat. This is my salt mackerel rundown with boiled food. So in this plate I have some boiled green banana, white yam, sweet potato, and cocoa along with the salt mackerel. Avocado on the side. Guys, I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Delicious. A little bit peppery. I haven't eaten rundown in a long time. This is so good. These are some of the reasons why I miss Jamaica, to get these really nice, authentic kind of Jamaican cuisine, you know. But thank God our parents teaches us from we're little taught, and we learn how to do it wherever we go around the world. Guys, again, thanks for watching. Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now I'll taste my juice. This is really what the season here called for, because this is so citrusy and nice, you know, really nice and refreshing. Thanks for watching.